Welcome to our roundup of the best garden border edging options. If you are tired of messy lawn edges, spreading mulch, or flower beds losing their shape, you are in the right place. In this video, we have selected some of the most reliable and best-selling garden edging kits that combine durability, flexibility, easy installation, and long-lasting performance. We will look at what makes each one special, how they perform in real-world use, and which type of garden they are best suited for. Whether you are working on a small backyard, a large landscape, or a full garden makeover, there is something here for you. All the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. The first on the list is the Jeria Garden Edging Kit. This edging stands out for its 2-inch height, 33 feet total length, and flexible yet durable plastic build. Right away, this makes it a great choice for people who want a simple but effective way to create clean lines around flower beds, walkways, or tree rings. The 2-inch height is ideal for holding back mulch, small stones, and soil without looking bulky or unnatural. It blends nicely into most gardens while still doing its job properly. One of the biggest advantages of the Jeria edging is how easy it is to install. You do not need any special tools or professional help. The kit comes with anchoring stakes that push easily into the ground, allowing you to shape straight lines, gentle curves, or even full circles around trees and garden features. Overall, the Jeria Garden Edging Kit is a simple, clean, and reliable solution for anyone who wants an easy upgrade to their garden's appearance. It's not meant for massive landscaping projects, but for everyday garden organization, it does the job very well and keeps everything looking tidy and well-defined. Next up is the Layaway Landscape Edging. This one immediately impresses with its 50 feet of total length, strong weather-resistant material, and clean, low-profile design. With more length to work with, this edging is perfect for larger gardens or for people who want to edge multiple areas in one go without needing to buy extra kits. The flexibility of this edging makes it easy to work around curved flower beds, winding paths, and irregular garden shapes. At the same time, once it's secured into the ground, it holds its position firmly and does not shift around easily. The low-profile look keeps it subtle so it doesn't distract from your plants, flowers, or landscaping features. Instead, it quietly does its job of keeping everything in place and looking organized. Installation is straightforward and does not require professional tools. You can cut it to size, shape it as needed, and secure it using the included stakes. The material is tough enough to handle being pushed into different soil types, including slightly rocky or compacted ground. It also handles sun and rain well, meaning it won't fade or crack easily after a few seasons. Overall, the Layaway Landscape Edging is a strong, all-around option for homeowners who want more coverage, a clean look, and a hassle-free installation experience. It's a dependable upgrade for both front yards and backyards. Next, we have the Mix 100 feet 1.5-inch landscape edging. This kit stands out because of its extra-long 100 feet length, 1.5-inch low-profile height, and highly flexible design. If you have a large yard or multiple areas to edge, this is the kind of kit that can handle everything in one purchase. The biggest advantage here is coverage. With 100 feet of edging, you can outline flower beds, walkways, garden borders, and tree rings without worrying about running out halfway through the project. The 1.5-inch height keeps the look very natural and subtle, which is perfect if you want clean lines without making the edging too visible. Despite being low profile, it does a great job of keeping mulch, soil, and small stones in place. The material is flexible enough to create smooth curves and sharp corners, but once it's staked down, it stays put. Installation is simple, and the kit includes enough stakes to secure long stretches properly. This edging is especially good for decorative gardens where appearance matters just as much as function. It doesn't draw attention to itself, but it makes the entire garden look more organized and professionally finished. The material also holds up well against weather and regular lawn maintenance. Overall, the Mix 100 feet 1.5-inch edging is an excellent choice for large projects where you want maximum coverage, easy shaping, and a clean, minimal look that enhances the entire landscape. Next, we have the FunFo Landscape Edging. This one brings together 2-inch height, 66 feet of total length, and heavy-duty flexible construction in a very practical package. It sits right in the sweet spot between size, strength, and versatility. The 2-inch height makes a noticeable difference when it comes to holding back mulch, soil, and decorative stones. It creates a stronger physical barrier compared to shorter edging, which means less mess and less maintenance over time. The 66 feet length gives you plenty of material to work with for medium to large gardens. The material feels sturdy and durable, yet it's still flexible enough to form curves, circles, and custom designs. Whether you are outlining flower beds, separating lawn from gravel, or creating clean borders along walkways, this edging handles it all very well. Installation is simple and does not require advanced tools, making it a good choice for both beginners and experienced gardeners. In terms of durability, this edging performs well in different weather conditions. It doesn't easily warp or crack, and it keeps its shape once installed. It also stays firmly in place when properly staked, even after rain or regular watering. Overall, the FunFo landscape edging is a strong, versatile, and well-balanced option for anyone who wants a durable and good-looking border solution that can handle everyday garden use with ease. The last one on our list is the Mix 100 feet 2-inch garden edging border. This is the most complete and heavy-duty option here, thanks to its full 2-inch height, massive 100 feet length, and reinforced durable material. If you're planning a big landscaping project or want a long-term solution, this one is built for that. The 2-inch height gives it excellent holding power for mulch, soil, bark, and decorative stones. It creates a clear and strong separation between lawn and garden beds, which makes the entire yard look cleaner and more structured. With 100 feet of length, you can handle large gardens, multiple areas, or even an entire yard without needing extra kits. Despite being strong and sturdy, it's still flexible enough to shape around curves and custom designs, which makes it suitable for both modern and natural garden layouts. Once installed, it stays firmly in place and does not shift easily, even with heavy rain or frequent watering. The material is designed to last, resisting sun damage, moisture, and general wear from outdoor conditions. It's clearly made for long-term use rather than just a temporary fix. Installation is still straightforward, and with the included stakes, you can secure long stretches confidently. Overall, the Mix 100 feet 2-inch garden edging border is the best choice on this list for large projects, long-term durability, and maximum control over your garden layout. It combines strength, flexibility, and coverage in one complete package. So, that's it for the best garden border edging options. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful home and garden guides. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your garden clean, organized, and looking its best.